Hello again, game design students. So I'm looking at Unit 4, Lesson 5. So another work lesson taking the dialogue that you added and adding your characters behind them. Um, so I'm not going to walk through the whole lesson because I've been spending all morning kind of working on it, but I will take a look. I will take a look with you at some of the things that I did. So within my testing scene, I chose to re-import my enemy character so that it was not the same as my template character. So as you're looking at yours, when you bring your enemy character in, some of the things that I needed to do, let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit. All right, so I needed to make sure that my enemy character was within where it needed to be, where he needed to be within my 2D screen. Um, I also, let me click on my enemy character again. Um, I switched off the anim state graph because we're not using that um, within here, but then within the animation legacy, so I added that component within the animation legacy, I added an asset and I brought in that jump GLB file. So that puts him in kind of a crouching pose. I needed to, like I said, I needed to re-import because mine had not imported correctly in my template to Model Legacy. So if you need some help with that, please reach out to me. I'm happy to walk through with you. Um, Now I'm going to hit the eyeball to focus on my character again. Um, I decided to add a directional light and move that light real close into my character. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. Um, and I changed it from directional to omni, moved it pretty close to the character. I wanted him to go red to look a little bit evil. I didn't really change a whole lot else in here other than get it in the right spot. And then I needed to launch a number of times to make sure that he was in a good spot. I'm still thinking I want him to get over a little bit, up a little higher, so I can see him a little bit more. Bring my I might change the size of my text box so he's not covering up my character, or I could put my two characters facing each other in the center. So I still have a lot of options here. Looking back at the lesson, the other thing that I'll still be doing is going in and adding um, a little more aesthetics in behind. Um, so you'll want to take a look at your assets. Again, if I take a look at mine, remember I've got mine kind of all over the place on my desktop. So within my, I think in my models folder, let's see where I've got. Within my models folder in the FBX, you've got all of these different pieces. I know that they added a corridor. Um, I think, let's see. Yeah, and unfortunately, even if you just view them as, icons, you can't really see what they look like. So import a couple at a time and see what you think they look like. Again, they used the corridor, a couple of the corridors in their model that they're showing within the lesson. This will be one that I'm not 100% sure I'm going to add a checkpoint, but I think I probably will because it's a pretty big project to get your characters within your scene. Um, let's see, I think that takes us to the end. So getting both of your characters in there, using animation so they look a little more realistic. You don't have to use that directional lighting, but it really does make a difference. Um, and then adding a little background for your aesthetics. So that's about it, but please reach out if you're having any issues. All right, have a great day.